Good morning students. Again welcome to our chemistry class with new chapter. Our third chapter is metal and non-metal. As we already studied in junior classes about metals and non-metals, so first we study about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. We have to make a table. Metals and non-metals. We discuss their physical properties along with together. Like first, if we know that what are the metals, if we see metals in our surrounding like iron, steel, copper, etc. The first point is metals are hard. Metals are solid. Mostly metals are solid in nature except mercury. I am writing in bracket, that is mercury. Which are the exceptions? I have to write in bracket. Metals are solid एक्सेप्ट मरकरी. हमने थर्मामीटर में मरकरी को देखा, हमने बीपी नापने की मशीन में स्फिग्मो मैनोमीटर जिसको बोलते हैं उसमें हम एक लिक्विड सिल्वर कलर का सब्सटेंस देखते हैं, वो है मेटल मरकरी. मेटल मरकरी में मेटल जो है मरकरी वो हमेशा लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है. सो ऑल मेटल्स आर सॉलिड एक्सेप्ट मरकरी, सो आई राइट मरकरी इन ब्रैकेट. एंड इन नॉन मेटल, first point, non-metals are found in any state of matter. They are found in any state of matter. As we already seen, like carbon, solid, oxygen in gaseous form, phosphorus in liquid form, etc. Now the second property of metals are hard. Mostly metals are hard. ज़्यादातर मेटल्स हार्ड होते हैं, उनको हम किसी भी इजीली चीज़ से काट नहीं सकते एक्सेप्ट सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. सोडियम, पोटेशियम एंड लिथियम. Sodium, potassium and lithium. There are three metals. Even magnesium are also somehow softer than other metals. Like iron is too hard, copper is hard, silver is hard, gold is also hard. But sodium, potassium and lithium are so soft that can be cutted with the help of knife. अगर हमसे पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कि राइट टू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मेटल्स which can be cut with the help of knife, those are sodium, potassium and lithium, etc. while non-metals are soft. मोस्टली नॉन मेटल सॉफ्ट होते हैं एक्सेप्ट डायमंड. डायमंड इज हार्डेस्ट नोन सब्सटेंस इन नेचर. डायमंड से ज़्यादा हार्ड कोई चीज़ नेचर में नहीं होती. और डायमंड जो है वो कार्बन का बना होता है. इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन. बट डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट नोन सब्सटेंस. इट इज़ यूज्ड एज रॉक कटर, glass cutter, etc. So the diamond is hardest known substance. While हम और एक बहुत अच्छी सी चीज़ देखते हैं metals में. Third point is metals are lustrous. Metals have a specific kind of shine that is called luster. Metals have luster or shine. Metals are lustrous while non-metals are non-lustrous. Those are non-lustrous. They do not have luster or non-lustrous except iodine. Iodine is the only non-metal which have a specific kind of shine. आयोडीन के क्रिस्टल्स जो है उनमें शाइनिंग होती है. नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ इज metals are ductile. Metals are ductile. Ductile means we can draw them in thin sheets. In thin wire. हम मेटल्स को जितने चाहे उतने पतले तारों में खींच सकते हैं. So it is called as thin wire. This property is known as ductility. Ductility, metals have ductile in nature. While non-metals are non-ductile. These are non-ductile in nature. Next point is metals are malleable. We have many activities in our NCERT book. Like if we have some metals and hammered them, मतलब हथौड़े से उसके ऊपर हम प्रेशर डालते हैं, then it is converted into thin sheets. They are converted into thin sheets. Metals की यही प्रॉपर्टी जिसकी वजह से वो हैमरिंग करने से थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं is known as malleability, and metals are known as malleable, while non-metals are non-malleable. They are non-malleable, or we can say those are brittle. If we hammer non-metals, they turn into small pieces. उनकी इसी प्रॉपर्टी को हम ब्रिटल कहते हैं. Sixth property of metals are they are good conductor. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. while some metals are poor conductor, like lead is poor conductor. Good conductors होते हैं copper and silver. Copper and silver are good conductor, while lead Pb, lead is poor conductor. Non-metals are insulators or bad conductor of heat and electricity, except graphite. Graphite is the only non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. हमने कहाँ पर देखा है? कॉमनली ग्रेफाइट को हम देखते हैं पेंसिल लेड में. कहाँ देखते हैं? पेंसिल लेड में. लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा एज अ गुड कंडक्टर हमने इसको देखा है ऑल आउट के रिफिल्स में. और अगर हमने कभी ड्राई सेल को ओपन किया है तो उसमें ड्राई सेल में भी एक कार्बन की रॉड होती है, वो भी ग्रेफाइट की ही बनी हुई होती है, बिकॉज ग्रेफाइट इज द गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Seventh point is metals have high melting and boiling point. They are having high melting and boiling point, while non-metals are low, comparatively low melting point and boiling point. These are the physical properties of metals. Once we can revise, metals are good conductor, metals are solid, we are studying about physical property. Metals are solid. Non-metals found in any state of matter, we have some examples like carbon in solid form, oxygen in gaseous form, and phosphorus in liquid form. Then metals are hard except sodium, potassium and lithium. These are so soft metals. Sodium, potassium and lithium are so soft that can be cut with the help of knife. मतलब इतने सॉफ्ट होते हैं. वैसे मेटल्स बहुत हार्ड होते हैं, लेकिन सोडियम, पोटेशियम एंड लिथियम इतने सॉफ्ट मेटल होते हैं दैट कैन बी कट विद द हेल्प ऑफ नाइफ. नॉन मेटल्स आर सॉफ्ट एक्सेप्ट डायमंड. डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट नोन सब्सटेंस. इवन डायमंड इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन, बट इट इज द हार्डेस्ट नोन सब्सटेंस. मतलब नेचर में डायमंड से हार्ड अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं है. It is used as a rock cutter and a glass cutter. Metals have a specific shine which is called luster. Metals are lustrous while non-metals are non-lustrous except iodine. Iodine एक ऐसा non-metal है जिसमें अपनी एक shine होती है. Metals can be converted into thin wire और मेटल की इसी प्रॉपर्टी को हम डक्टिलिटी कहते हैं. सो मेटल्स आर डक्टाइल, नॉन मेटल्स आर नॉन डक्टाइल. मेटल्स आर malleable. What do you understand by malleability? Means if we hammer them, they can be converted into thin sheets. Metals can be converted into thin sheets and this property is known as malleability. So metals are known as malleable, while non-metals are non-malleable or we can say these are brittle. Brittle मतलब अगर हम इस metals non-metals के ऊपर हैमरिंग करते हैं तो वो चूरा हो जाते हैं. This property is known as brittleness. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Copper and silver are very good conductor, so they are used in different kind of electric equipments, while lead is Pb. Pb is the symbol. Lead is poor conductor of electricity, which is not used in any device. Similarly, non-metals are bad conductor. If we compare non-metal about this property, these are bad conductor. Only graphite is the good conductor of electricity. It is found in pencil lead, refills of fallout, and in the center of dry cell. Metals have high melting and boiling point. Non-metals do not have high melting and boiling point. They have low melting and boiling point.